Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this Indian style pasta. It's extremely simple and yummy as well. Let's get started. Soak 2 red chillies in hot water. I've used Kashmiri red chillies. Now in a pan, heat up 6 cup of water, a drop of oil and half a teaspoon of salt. Let the water come to boil. Meanwhile, we'll finely chop an onion. Once the water reaches boiling point, add in a cup of macaroni pasta. You can use any pasta variant. Meanwhile, I'll chop the vegetables. Cook the pasta as per the package instructions. Normally it takes 7 to 9 minutes. Once done, when you cut into a pasta shell, there shouldn't be any white part. Now retain 2 tablespoons of pasta water, drain off the remaining water and spread the pasta shells in a plate. Now in a mixer jar, add 4 garlic cloves, 2 roughly chopped tomatoes and the soaked red chillies. Grind this to a fine paste and set aside. Now heat up a pan, add in a tablespoon of oil to this. You can use butter as well. Once the oil is slightly hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds begin to crackle, add in the finely chopped onion. Now saute this for 2 minutes. Once the onion becomes slightly translucent, add in the ground tomato paste. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Today I am gonna use frozen corn, frozen peas, capsicum, beans and carrot for this recipe. Now to the pan, add in quarter teaspoon of sugar and salt as per your taste. I have used slightly less than half a teaspoon of salt. Now add in the vegetables and mix it all for a minute. You can use any vegetables of your choice. After a minute, cover and cook this for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, we can see that the sauce has thickened and the vegetables are cooked. Now give it all a good mix. To this, add in half a teaspoon of pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Here the garam masala is optional. You can also add Italian spices or any other seasoning of your choice. Now add in the retained pasta water little by little and mix it all well. Now add in the cooked pasta to this. Now on the lowest flame setting of your stove, give it all a good mix. It just looks so yummy and brings so many nostalgic memories to my mind. Once it is all well combined and the pasta is coated well with the sauce and vegetables, turn off the flame and garnish this with some chopped coriander leaves. Now you can choose to add mixed herbs, Italian seasoning, oregano, that all goes up to your choice. But you can also choose to add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Today I'm not gonna add any of this as this tastes perfectly well on its own. Now I'm just gonna plate it up and enjoy. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.